In this video, we'll look at how a temporary resident permit, or TRP, and a humanitarian and compassionate application can sometimes work together. These are two very different processes, but in certain cases, both may be part of the same overall strategy. So, what exactly is a TRP? A TRP is a special discretionary permit that allows someone to enter or remain in Canada, even though they would not normally be allowed. This could be because of inadmissibility, or because their status has expired. TRPs are not routine approvals. Officers grant them only in exceptional cases, where there are strong reasons to make an exception to the usual rules. So, how does this connect to H&C? H&C applications focus on long-term permanent residence, but these applications can sometimes take years to process. In the meantime, some people may not have valid status or may be inadmissible. In these situations, a TRP may help, not as a substitute for the H&C, but as a temporary measure that allows someone to remain in Canada or, in some cases, enter Canada while the H&C is being reviewed. It's important to understand that simply wanting to stay in Canada while waiting for an H&C decision is not enough to get a TRP. The decision is highly discretionary, and approvals are not routine. Officers only issue TRPs when they are satisfied there are compelling reasons to do so. In some situations, a TRP issued for more than 6 months may also allow the person to apply for a work permit. This can be significant for H&C applicants because it may provide an opportunity to work legally in Canada during the wait for first-stage approval and later the open work permit that follows. But again, this is never automatic. It depends on the officer's discretion in granting the TRP in the first place. So, it's important to understand that a TRP and an H&C are not the same, but in certain cases, they can work together. The H&C is about permanent residence. On the other hand, the TRP is temporary and exceptional. When both are involved, it is always because of unique circumstances. If you're not sure whether a TRP may apply in your situation, it's important to get proper legal advice before making any application.